Welcome to the dark side of data science, where the rules are made up and the best practices don't matter. Today, we're learning how to show off at work by throwing the data science rulebook out the window. Let's dive into the not-so-best practices that'll make you infamous. The miracle of overfitting. Who needs a model that generalizes well when you can have a model that's a perfect fit, like a custom-tailored suit, but for your data? Introducing the 100% training data method. By using all your data as training data, your model will predict past events with breathtaking accuracy. Present your results with the confidence of a magician pulling a rabbit out of a hat. Future predictions may vary wildly. P-hacking your way to stardom. In the mystical land of statistical analysis, the p-value reigns supreme. But why settle for statistically significant results when you can cherry-pick your way to significance? Start by testing every possible hypothesis. Then only report the ones that work. Remember, if at first you don't succeed, try another subset of data. Your presentations will dazzle, leaving colleagues to wonder about your methods. It's not cheating. It's creatively interpreting data. Graphs galore, the more complex the better. Why use simple, understandable graphs when you can create a masterpiece so complex it requires a Rosetta Stone to decipher? Try this. In your next meeting, unveil a 4D pie chart or a triple-axis scatter plot with interactive holograms. When someone asks,
"What the fuck is this piece of shit?"
say, "The data speaks for itself." They'll be too embarrassed to admit they don't understand, securing your place as the office enigma. Correlation equals causation, obviously. Forget the naysayers who drone on about correlation does not imply causation. In our world, if two things happen together, one clearly caused the other. Present findings like, as ice cream sales increase, so do shark attacks. Therefore, eating ice cream causes shark attacks. Watch as your colleagues avoid the dessert table at the next company picnic, pondering your profound insights. The illusion of precision. Why stop at 2 decimal places when you can go to 10? After all, precision is the key to trustworthiness. Next time you present your model's accuracy, say it's 99.9999999% accurate. The more 9s, the more nods you'll get. It doesn't matter that the extra decimal places are statistically meaningless. It's all about the perception of precision. The infinite features technique. In the quest for the perfect model, why limit ourselves to relevant features? More is always better, right? Introduce the infinite features technique. Why use 10 features when you can use 10,000? Sure, most might be completely irrelevant, like the phase of the moon or the average temperature of Mars. But hey, your model's complexity will baffle everyone, making you look like a genius. The time traveler's forecast. Predicting the future is so passé. The real challenge? Predicting the past. Present your latest project as a time traveler's forecast. Claim you've developed a model that can predict historical events with uncanny accuracy. Had we launched this model in 1912, it would have predicted the sinking of the Titanic with a 100% certainty. Watch as your colleagues marvel at your ability to solve problems that already happened. With these additional, absolutely outlandish strategies, you're not just a data scientist. You're a legend. Remember though, the line between legend and cautionary tale is thin, and these practices are firmly on the don't try this at work side of things. Thanks for sticking with us through this satirical stroll down data science malpractice lane. Hit the like button if you laughed, share if you cried. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below.
And go on to stratascratch.com to get data science resources. Thank you.